What's up, everybody? I'm back with another Tool Deals video, and today I don't have much for you, but I do have some goodies that I've stumbled across in my travels. So, first up, we have this Energizer flashlight. So, I talked about one of these, I think it was 1800 lumens a couple weeks ago, and showed you at Lowe's it was like $27 when I did the Olight video. Now the Olight obviously still knocks this out of the park, but I mean that thing is like 200 something dollars. Here you have these are at Home Depot. They're on clearance. This Energizer with 2,000 lumens comes with a boatload of batteries, and it takes them all. And it's on sale, on clearance for you seen it, $10. $10. That's a really good price. Now moving on, let's go check this other one out. I think I have a better picture. All right, we have this 1200 lumen. It's smaller, and I think that I want to say that the 1800, the one I showed you guys before, I know the one I have is about the same size as this, but it's just more powerful. This one is a little unique though because it seems to be rechargeable. I think this has a lithium ion battery in it, but I do know, yeah, rechargeable. Yeah, okay. So it's rechargeable. I see that, right? Rechargeable. But it also charges other devices. If you flip it, where to see this in store, flip it over, you can plug your phone into it, and this will also charge your phone. This was on clearance for $16, which is a little weird because this 2000 lumen one, regular price is $42 and it's $10. This is $35 and it's $16. So I just bought two of the $10 ones because I mean, I feel like I'm paying more for less right here, but it does have that extra added bonus feature. Moving on. Oh, okay, so this is an accident. Obviously, I didn't mean to go to this picture, but if any of y'all know what this little thing is, this rubber gasket is that goes between the windshield and this pillar here on a Lexus LS430, let me know because mine blew off when I went through the car wash and I need to replace that. Moving on. All right, so at Lowe's we have this impact driver drill kit. Comes with two 2 amp hour batteries. That's pretty cool. The two 2 amp hour batteries. Charger. I think it also comes with a bag. I'm pretty positive it comes with a bag. Mostly all Bosch kits come with bags. And this is $99 for these two items right here. I don't quite remember off the top of my head what the inch pounds what the torque is on this impact driver. But I mean, I think it's decent for the price. $99 for both of these. You can't beat that. Moving on, we have this Cobalt Fogger Mister. Now we know Ryobi's been giving them away for like 2 years now. But the thing that makes this kit cool is the fact that it's a kit. I don't really care about the fogger. It might be good. I don't know. I'm not gonna use that. But the whole kit is $51.57. Comes with a 2 amp hour battery and a charger. I was thinking about buying one of these, and Lowe's had a whole bunch of them too. It's this top row and the bottom row, and this the left to the right underneath. They're just filled to the back with these boxes. And I was thinking about getting it just so I can test Cobalt 2s, and I don't have any batteries or chargers. But buy this and then sell this fogger. Hopefully, I can get my money back for it and get these free so I can test tools out for y'all in the future. Moving on. This was some stuff from Walmart. And I kind of saw this a few weeks ago, so I don't know if it's still on sale. But they have the Nest Audios for $59, marked down from $100. There was something else they had over there too. That's it. So now let's go check out what we have on the internet. All right, so it's not a whole lot going on. We do have this Milwaukee Shockwave Impact titanium drill bit set. I think I had the thing up at Home Depot. No, I did not. All right, here it is. So it's already on special buy for $14.97, which is not bad. It's half off. But the clearance price, which you can see here in like Maryland, they have a whole bunch of them on clearance, clearance, clearance. They're only $8. Yes, that's right, $8. So go on ahead and enjoy that. And I like these because, let's go back to the listing, they have that hex shank. So you can use these in impact drivers. For those of you that say, you can't drill with an impact driver. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. You can drill with an impact driver just fine. It just has to have that hex shank. And a lot of bits don't. And these are usually, obviously, more expensive. So there you go with that. And that's pretty much it. I mean, this is not a terrible deal for this Milwaukee fuel bandsaw. The deep cut when it comes to the 8 amp hour high output battery for $379. The bandsaw itself is normally $399, so getting that battery is not bad. But we've seen better deals that came with the extra tool. But if you wanted to just high output battery, this is, still not a bad deal. This battery costs the price of, actually more expensive than the tools that it usually come with. But you know me, I don't buy batteries at all. I've never bought a battery in my life, and I can't even count how many batteries. There's not much going on over at Lowe's. I do want to talk about this though. So we done with the deals. It was very fast. Done with the deals. But I wanted to talk about all you guys that just rag on me because I get on Flex. It's not that I'm getting on Flex. It just came out the gate wrong. They came out the gate with nothing special other than cool looking tools who advertised that they were super powerful, but honestly, in real life use, you don't notice it. And they were wildly expensive, and they only sold this stuff in kits. That's just not the way to do it. Now you compare that to a Metabo HPT, they came out with very reasonable prices, like prices you could not ignore, and they had extra features. So all their 36-volt tools were hybrid, so you can use a battery or you can plug them into the wall. And they didn't do that weird, oh, this is a base model battery and this is a top of the line battery. No, all the batteries was just good. They're all good top of the line batteries. And again, reasonably priced with all lifetime warranties. Now you might say Flex has the lifetime warranty too. No, it was a gimmick to try to get you to hurry up and buy it. Now they're on their third year. So, oh, you better get it this year. It's like, yeah. Y'all be doing this for the next several years until sales pick up. Like right now, they're just now making their kits reasonably priced. Now, don't get me wrong. This is a wonderful price for this kit. But is it though? $99 here. This is also $99. Now, let's look at the Flex. You get two 2.5 amp hour batteries. I love them. These batteries are good. They big. They're really big batteries, but they're good because they have the little fuel gauge on them, unlike the Metabo HPT. Now, don't get me wrong, the newer batteries on my Metabo HPT, the 18-volt ones, they have the fuel gauge, but these older ones do not. It comes with a charger bag. And the impact driver, right? Impact driver produces 1,800 even inch-pounds of torque, which we know is not accurate. No one does. Yeah, right. So, they rounded up. But it does 1,800 inch-pounds of torque, right? And that's it. It's on off. There are no modes or anything like that, and that is the problem. Okay, it's a powerful impact driver with no modes. If you're using this on a delicate piece of material, you're going to tear that material up. Now let's go over here to Metabo HPT. You have these 1.5 amp hour batteries, which are dinky, but it'll still drive this bad boy. 1.5 amp hour batteries, charger bag, and this impact driver. Again, lifetime warranty. But look at this on the side. It has modes, and it produces 1,832 inch-pounds, a lot more specific. IP56 rated, which means it has some level of dust proofing, dust resistance and water resistance. And again, the biggest thing is it has modes. So which one is better? This one. Now, don't get me wrong. With the buy more, save more, this breaks down to be like $70-something if you can get it down to that $70-something, which is great. And I still wouldn't do it though because there's no modes. You can only use this for certain applications. This you could use for every single thing. It's worth the extra money. And if you're just buying them straight up, spending the $99, this is where you want your money, straight up. Okay. So anyway, I was gonna do the same thing comparing the oscillating tool to Flex's oscillating tool, but it's sold out. And I don't remember how much the Flex oscillating tool costs tool only. But for $79, this Metabo also lifetime warranty, no gimmicks. You don't need to hold your receipt or nothing crazy like that. And also the Flex oscillating tool. Now, one thing about the Flex oscillating tool is that it has that anti-vibration. I have never experienced it, but I would imagine it's as good as Milwaukee's. Their reciprocating saw is really good at dampening vibrations too, which is a huge deal. For sure. But outside of that, that's pretty much it. It had like 4 mode settings on the Flex, and it also used the the Starlock oscillating blades, and those cost more and they're hard to find. This one can use both. I've used Starlocks in these, and I've also used the universal ones, and they both work fine. And also, this has the battery indicator on it, and it also has a variable speed dial on the back and an auto feature for $79. And the auto mode works really, really good. And the variable dial, it moves in like increments of 100 OPM. Now even the Milwaukee had a variable dial, but it'll go like that when you're accelerating in speeds, whereas this one's more gradual, like so this has a greater range. It's actually a more versatile tool. It vibrates more though, so keep that in mind. Well, that's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna try to make a video tomorrow, but again, I'm still on the road, so see y'all when I see y'all. Buy some merch.